Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to try a microwave dinner from Extraordinary Bites. These are folks that do frozen bread in Walmart. This has got ground cauliflower, almond flour, chilies, and chicken. So we'll see if this is any good. The instructions are literally, the standard: open the box, pull the thing out, slit it, stick it in the microwave, and then eat it. So we're going to try it out. We'll see how good it is. Okay, so that's 4.5 minutes. We're going to let it cool. And it does give me some hope that they're, cooked inside of the actual, the corn husks. Just so you know, stats on these: 23 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. But that's per tamale. So to be clear, it's 5 grams net per, so this is 10 grams net. So there's only 280 calories in here. So if you're trying to eat a 1,500 calorie a day thing, this is not exact. It's a fifth of your calories. So generally speaking, you're probably going to want to have something. If you're a red-blooded American male, you're going to want to eat probably more than this. So more than likely, I'll have some meat sticks or something as well to eat with this, but maybe make myself some eggs. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here to try these. So let's see how these things taste. All right, came out of the husk pretty good. That's a good sign. It's always frustrating when half of your tamale is sitting on the husk. It's not bad. They smell fantastic, like amazing. In terms of flavor, they're fine. They're not exciting. They've got kind of that green chili, kind of a flavor to them. It's very, very subtle. So if you can't eat spicy food, these will be fine. They're not anywhere close to what we normally eat in terms of spice around here. So anyway, I would say I'd give them probably a 7 or an 8. Obviously, they'd probably be better if you dump some sour cream on there, or put some extra hot sauce on there or whatever. But by themselves, they're fine. They don't have an offensive flavor by any stretch. The texture is actually fairly close to what I would expect out of a standard masa-based tamale. And they specifically call out their masa is made from almond flour. That's all it says: blanched almond. And then specifically, there's more stuff in here: lard, ground cauliflower, water, flaxseed meal. And then the filling is chicken breast, tomatillo sauce, which has some serranos in it, some diced onion, some cilantro, etc. So that's probably where a lot of the smell is coming from. That's so good, is the cilantro and that type of stuff. But again, it's not very heavy in terms of the flavor. So it's if you don't need your Mexican food to be extremely flavorful, these will be just fine. I like my stuff a little bit more intense. So like I said, I'd give it, in the 6 or 7, maybe an 8 on the high end. If you slathered a lot of stuff on it, maybe you'd get up into that 8 or 9 range. But out of the box, they're fine, but they're not super exciting. So anyway, there's my honest review. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.